Bourbon isn't just a drink, it's a craft, a culture, and a journey through the heart of Kentucky. Whether you want to travel the classic Kentucky Bourbon Trail or dive further into bourbon, music, and moonshine, your adventure starts here. Let's begin where every bourbon lover should, on the legendary Kentucky Bourbon Trail. Begin your 16-day guided RV journey with Fantasy RV Tours in Shepherdsville. Meet fellow travelers, sample award-winning bourbons, and explore Louisville's historic Whiskey Row. Enjoy exclusive access to Louisville's icons, from immersive bourbon exhibits to the home of the Kentucky Derby. Continue to Bardstown, the heart of Bourbon Country. Tour world-famous distilleries, dine aboard a vintage train, and explore Kentucky's classic Southern charm. Go hands-on with iconic Kentucky traditions, Southern cooking, mint julep crafting, and a historic mansion tour. Explore Frankfort's world-renowned distilleries, including Buffalo Trace, Castle and Key, Woodford Reserve, and Four Roses. Finish in Lexington with behind-the-scenes horse park tours, even more distillery tastings, and unforgettable Kentucky heritage. For bourbon lovers, this is the trip of a lifetime. Thirsty for more? Take your bourbon journey even further with Fantasy's 21-day music, bourbon, and moonshine tour. Start in Bardstown at the world-famous Kentucky Bourbon Festival. This annual celebration of bourbon culture features over 50 distilleries, offering tastings, tours, and live entertainment. Next, journey to Bowling Green, the home of America's iconic Corvette and fascinating aviation heritage. Return to Frankfort for classic bourbon favorites, historic tours, handcrafted candies, and shaker heritage. In Renfro Valley, step into Kentucky's musical history with live performances and backstage stories. Finish in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee with moonshine tastings, spectacular shows, hearty Southern meals, and smoky mountain scenery. From tastings to tunes, this tour captures the spirit of the South. Choose your tour, raise a glass, and let your bourbon journey begin with Fantasy RV Tours. Visit fantasyrvtours.com to learn more and subscribe to our channel for more guided RV experiences.